you all the time. Salamat po.
Salamat.
You have a song that the monkeys like, so they come to here.
Come on, monkey.
Kami
Swim.
different time in the day. Always,
Where are you?
every day. But different time. There's bird. Bird. There's bird.
Ah, you have two legs.
Bird.
I
Ayan
want
po,
four.
may ibon doon, no?
May,
Beautiful bird over there.
come on, monkey.
Nakita nyo?
Wood pico.
It's a kingfisher. It's a
See, monkey?
kingfisher. No. Nagdadive sana ng isda eh, nawala.
Yeah, monkey's hiding.
Because they're hiding.
In the hiding the monkey.
Later on, you can see monkey in underground river.
Underground river.
Monkey in the underground river and mangrove are look alike to each other. So that's why now I don't believe evolution.
we are a monkey.
Because monkey, they are look alike to each other. And human, no. They are not look alike to each other.
I got one monkey.
And until now, monkey is monkey. No monkey but human or similar to the human.
You're a monkey, not?
You can see it only in the book of Charles Darwin, Imagination Only, in Natural Science,
Duha ni sa
Science
bilin.
Evolution.
Oo. Dalawa sila pero hindi kasama yung isa. Nandoon lang sa England. O, meron na kasing ano. Ha? Oh, kala ko yung snake. Oh, they did. Oh, Joy.
Genetical inheritance, definition in the Bible creation. And now you can see snake. Now look at the snake in front over there, in the tree. That's in yellow, snake. Yan po, yan po yan ho.
Monkey? Hangin? Hangin monkey.
Monkey.
Snake, there is a snake.
Oh yeah, there is a snake.
Mga monkey, para magpasukay kami monkey.
The snake.
Wala kuto.
The black mamba, don't you?
O yan, nakawa na po tayo.
Ay, karaos. Ito na kami guys. We're going somewhere else now.